Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can delete your Badoo account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and that you have the Badoo app downloaded on your device. Now, once you've made sure of those things, open up the Badoo app. Once the Badoo app is open up on your device, on the bottom right corner of your screen you'll see the profile option. Go ahead and click on it. Make sure that you've logged in, and on the top left corner of your screen you'll see this gear option which will open up the settings menu. Go ahead and click on it, which will guide you to another page. Now on this page you'll have to click on this account option. Once you click on the account option, on the bottom of your screen you'll have to click on this delete account option, which will guide you to another page. Now you'll have to choose an option. Now click on this delete your account option and then click on this continue button. Once you click on the continue button, you'll be guided to another page where on the bottom of your screen you'll see the no delete my account option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the no delete my account option, you'll have to select a reason for why you want to delete your account. Now simply click on one reason and then click on this delete account option, and there you have it, your Badoo account has been deleted. I hope this video helped you to delete your Badoo account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.